This calculator video is going to take you through solving a quadratic equation using the zero method in the calculator. First thing you'll want to do is go to your y equals, make sure everything is cleared out. You'll type in your equation. So we're going to do the first one from the notes, x squared minus 12x plus 27. I would hit zoom 6, make sure you're on a standard viewing window. Zoom 6 will bring you to that. If you get an error message after that, then it's good to go back and check and make sure your plots aren't on or that you don't have anything extra in your y equals. Now to do the zero method, you're going to select second, trace, and then 0. Usually what will happen is your cursor will show up in the middle of the graph. Sometimes that's off the screen. Take a look down here, it says x is 0. So I want to scroll. This looks like it's about 3, 0. I'm going to scroll and get kind of close to that value until I see the cursor show up. And I was just hitting the right arrow to do that. Now what I always do for this is scroll close to what you're trying to find. Then maybe hit the left arrow 1 or 2 times to get your left bound. You can select enter after doing that. You'll see a little arrow show up. Then you would get close again. Hit your right arrow 1 or 2 times just to get on the right side of that point. And hit enter for right bound. Notice another arrow shows up. So it's kind of zeroing in on this x-intercept or this 0 point. You have to always hit enter, see how it says guess 3rd time, and it will bring you right to that point. So 3 is one of the solutions to the quadratic equation. As shown in class, you're going to record this as one of your solutions and also label it on the sketch of your graph. Now to just kind of recap, you'll have to repeat this process again to get the other 0. So second trace, 0. We're going to scroll and get close to the other 0 that you want to find, so bear with my clicking. Again, once you get close, if you're using this method, when it says left bound, you have to hit the left arrow once or twice after getting close, then hit enter, get close again, hit the right arrow once or twice. I usually like to do twice just to be safe. Sometimes that brings you off the graph though, so you have to be careful. Hit enter after hitting that, and then enter a 3rd time. With this method, you have to be precise about where you're selecting your points, so that it can get a little bit tricky. This is one of your other solutions, so x equals 9 is a solution. You would record that and label it on the sketch of your graph. And that is it for the zero method. There's another method that you can check out in a different video.